Class of 2026, you are here for a reason. Because you've completed the journey set before you through long nights, big questions, bold decisions, and unwavering faith. This year marks not only this milestone in your academic career, but marks 250 years since the founding of the United States of America. A moment to honor the courage that shaped our freedom to be in this moment today. And like our nation, Liberty University began with a single vision on a mountain in Lynchburg, Virginia, a spark of conviction that grew into a flame fueled by courage, perseverance, and purpose. Whether your path took you to this mountain or connected you from afar, you are part of something larger than any one moment, a legacy built to train champions for Christ. You, graduates, are leaders prepared to change the world for Christ and carry our flame forward, igniting every calling with knowledge aflame. It all started with the vision of one man who dared to believe that faith and education together could transform our great nation and the world. And today, that vision lives on in you.
I've said to these young people repeatedly, and I say it again to you today, you are the hope of America. God wants to burn a vision into your heart. You're not called to fill up space. You're not just an occupant. You're not just a spectator. You're supposed to be a participant in God's primary goal. And so that's our mission. God has called you to achieve, to win. You have no right to be ordinary. God has called you to be extraordinary. When you leave the graduation platform of liberty, I want you to leave it running. Leave it running with a vision burning in your soul. You're going to change this world for Christ. Write the vision, make it plain. We're training champions to change the world.